Hello everybody. In this video right now I will show you and give you a little bit more information how you can use trading webhook. So first of all, continuing the lesson into previous videos, we see that we have right now a trade that is positive with plus 0.32%. We can always refresh to see the instant profit. At this moment I decide that I don't want to risk for the price to go lower. I want to keep my percent profit. I will just lift it to 0.20% profit. And let's see whether in this video we will manage to keep our profit, or we will see whether the price go higher. So anyway, trading webhook is an update, is a feature that will allow you to place trades from the TradingView platform. The TradingView platform itself has the webhook integration that will sell, as you can see it sold at 0.90%, that will sell or buy the asset you have given dependent on the rules we have inputted right here. All you need to do is to open your TradingView platform and input these two variables: the link where to post the signal and the text information. This information is a translation for our platform to understand what to do with the signal. And if you were to open a different market, let's say a different coin for trading, the TradingView is also automatically set up for trading for a different coin. Now let's go through the parameters. The token is your unique code that the system will identify you that this is your trade. The market, where to buy, make a buy signal. Exchange, your budget group number, and if you don't know your budget group number, you can just copy one of these examples right here: manual trading bot budget group, my trading bot's budget group. So in the previous video we set up the trading bots that was specially designed for trading bots. Assuming that Telegram would be a trading bot strategy, that we will use just the group's number 189. Signal group means that if you make your own bot or signal group, you can share those signals to that group you manage, and everybody that is following that group will have the instant signals, instant trades also copied to their account. So these are for the account managers or finance managers that want to control several accounts or want to earn money by sharing their signals here in this trader.AiCoinPal website. Now let's go further. Buy setup is that you can delete or you can change the setup, but the parameters here are only 3 available, which is instantly you want to market buy 50% of your budget group. Remember, we set up our budget group. Let's go and show you one more time. We have set up our budget group for trading bot. My trading bot's budget strategy. We have set up that we want to use only $101 for a trade. Means that the budget group will buy, my trading bot's budget group will buy 50% of the $100 we have inputted. So the next parameter means buy another 25% of the capital when the price falls by minus 5%, and then buy another buy, create another buy when the price falls by minus 10%, and then buy another 25%. You can change these parameters, let's say to buy instantly 80%, and then additionally some 10%. Now the sell strategy is a fixed sell. At what percent you want to sell it. Let's say I want to sell at 0.5% all of my trade, and you can just delete this. So, and the next is stop loss. What is our stop loss? Is it minus 100%, minus 1%, minus 5%? Let's use just minus 100%. So at this moment, you just copy your text, copy your TradingView link, input it in your TradingView platform in the section called Webhook, and every time when your TradingView strategy will make a signal, or script will make a buy signal, it will be sent at this platform, and you will see your trades live right here, and you can change them, you can sell them, you can buy additionally, or you can lift stop loss, you can edit them later on, and you'll have a full control over your trades. So that is how you use Trading Webhook, and keep in mind, trades can happen very fast in a single second. We have tested this feature, and the trades execute nearly or close to 1 second. So that's how you use TradingView Webhook, and thank you for watching this video, and see you guys soon on the next video. How can you make your own trading bot? Have a good day.